Sometimes all you need is a little bit of debug code. So, the problem with our lookup table, this lookup table, where entry number 0 seemed to be giving us all 0 bits back, the problem was on this line right here. We had it commented out. I've marked it as fix number 5 for the code base, and this is a multi-line comment, so it's not going to end up commenting this out. I had comments on this line because I didn't want to erroneously put a comma on this line, because then we would have gotten the bug that we ended up with anyways, that we were trying to prevent. JavaScript sometimes lets you do bad things and does not tell you you've done them because it's JavaScript, so I don't know. Anyways, to find this bug, I wrote some code down here. In this section, what the fuck is wrong with you people? If debugging is turned on, we're going to loop through all 16 possible values, 0 to 15 inclusive, and if 0 is any of them, that is wrong, and we're going to throw an error. And we got this error, and that made me inspect this table more closely, and I realized what was wrong. Otherwise, if it's negative, that's also a mistake. And if it's greater than or equal to 1, that is okay and will do nothing. And if we get to this branch, we really screwed up somehow. And that's it. That's all we did. So, excellent. We're done. We're done here. Here's what I did previously. And here's our footnotes. And here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You are on the short playlist. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. You have been on video 321. Like, subscribe, send money.